So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to turn on battery saver on your device. So let's get it started. So let's open setting. As you can see, this is the inbox of your setting. Now scroll down below and tap on battery, which is available on the bottom of your screen. So tap on it. Now from here you can see the option of battery saver, so again tap on it. Now enable the battery saver mode like this, and on the battery icon on the top right side you can see yellow button is enabled, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.